Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamie. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, all kinds of stuff. So if you are new, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe so you guys don't miss a video. I upload every single week. And to my returning subscribers, make sure you guys turn on that bell button so you guys are notified every single time I upload a video so you guys never miss anything. I know you guys are thinking that today was supposed to be that Forever 21 haul. Well, let me explain. I wanted to postpone that because I didn't realize that this week was the first official day of summer. So I wanted to do like a fun summary video for the first day of summer. Still gonna do that video, just keep an eye out for it. I wanted to just do this today and I'm really excited about it because we are gonna be putting together my summer mood board. So this is something that you guys see on my social media all the time. I always share it. I post pictures in front of it, selfies with it, all kinds of stuff because I think it's so cute. It's something I always do just in my free time. I don't film it, but I thought it'd be really fun to do this video because I was thinking I wanted to update this for summer. So this is the before. I haven't done it yet. I'm gonna do it with you guys and kind of pick out everything I want to use. But this is what I had on it during like the winter season into spring because I wanted to kind of update it for the summertime. But I'm going to explain all that in the video, so I want to go ahead and get into it. If you guys do like this style of video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also comment down below if you guys want to see more. This could be something I could do every season with you guys, and it's like a fun little way to get excited for whatever season we're going into. So let me know in the comments, and if you guys want to see me put together my summer mood board, please keep watching. Before we get into creating the mood board, I kind of want to just break it down a little bit. So you could do a mood board in a ton of different ways. I know a lot of people do them like at the beginning of every year to kind of like set goals, inspiration, and just like kind of put things out there that they're trying to kind of like do during that year. You guys have probably seen them before. So I try to keep this kind of like just what's inspiring me for the season, kind of like fashion, kind of like magazine kind of vibe. And I also keep like a few sentimental things up there. You could really do whatever you want. You could go get like a white foam board from Michael's and put together things in the same way and put whatever you want on it for that season. So you could get these pictures online. You could print things out on Pinterest, do whatever you want. But I'm not gonna do that. I love to go through magazines and cut things out and then keep some of my own pictures up there. I just think they look crisper and like nicer. I don't know, I like them better than printing out pictures, but you really could do whatever you want here. So I'm gonna go through magazines. I have like InStyle, Elle, Glamour, Vogue, all those. And I'm actually only going through magazines that are from this season, like for the summertime. Like I have June and July magazines and that's it, because I want them to be like on trend and like have that summery vibe and be able to find what I'm looking for. If you're just at home and you have a bunch of old magazines, it'll work. It's fine. You could do whatever you want. The style that I'm kind of going for is very summery, beachy, like light, airy, but also still a little bit of my personal style mixed in there, obviously. So you can see I'm kind of like going for that with my outfit today. I'm kind of matching the vibe that I'm going for. So before I go into looking at magazines and finding inspiration and all that, I kind of want to show you guys like the before of my mood board so you can see what it looks like, what I had it as, and then I'm going to go ahead and take everything off, keep a few certain things, and then look for some stuff in magazines. Okay, so here is the before. I know you guys are going to ask, so I'm going to let you know where they're from. So I got these two magnet bulletin board kind of things from IKEA, and they did not come together. They're actually sold separately, but I really like them. I just thought they were a little small, so I decided to get two and put them together, and I actually think it's really cool, and it's even cooler than if I had one big board because I just think it adds like something to it, a little dimension. So let's go ahead and take everything off. Okay, so these are what I ended up with. Very like airy, fresh, summery vibes, but let's go ahead and put everything together. So this is the finished product. I really like how it came out. It's very simple, very beachy like I said, but I still like how it has those elements of like the black and the gray, and everything is just like my style with a little summer twist on it. So you can do this however you want, pick out whatever inspires you, whatever you're trying to go for the season, whatever vibe. And that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys want to see more of these. I could do one for the fall and I think it'd be really fun. But summer is just starting, so I don't want to talk about fall yet. I am in full-on summer mode. I hope you were inspired by this video and you're inspired to do some type of mood board. If you are, please DM me, Snapchat me, anything like that. I will have my socials up on the screen so you guys can send me a picture. So happy summer, you guys. I hope you liked this video. I will see you guys next week. Bye.